Ladies and gentlemen, gather round, because I'm about to reveal to you the ultimate secret to making money online. Are you ready? Brace yourselves. The best way to make money online is to make YouTube videos about how to make money online. I know, it sounds crazy. But hear me out. Have you ever stumbled upon a video titled How I Made $10,000 in 1 week on YouTube or 5 Easy Ways to Make Money Online? Of course you have, because those videos are everywhere. And why are they everywhere, you ask? Because they work. See, people are always searching for ways to make money online. It's the dream, right? To work from the comfort of your own home and rake in the dough. So when someone comes across a video promising to reveal the secrets to online riches, they're all ears. And what do they see when they click on that video? An energetic host, probably sitting in front of a fancy background, telling them all about affiliate marketing and dropshipping and how easy it is to make bank. But here's the thing. The actual content of these videos is usually pretty shallow. You're not going to find any groundbreaking information that you couldn't have found with a quick Google search. But the host is so enthusiastic and persuasive, you start to believe that maybe, just maybe, you too can become an online millionaire. And what's the cherry on top? The host is probably making a pretty penny from that very video you're watching. So, what's the lesson here? If you want to make money online, make YouTube videos about how to make money online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.